It's been a minute. Was Gucci? Rock. I did this like 6 times. Alright, you know what is good, you guys? I hope everybody's having a good day. So a couple of months ago I made this video and it was basically like a off-white style Air Force 1 unboxing. What the whole moral of that video was is that you don't always have to break the bank to buy cool sneakers. You should buy what you like. And today I bought a sneaker and it's a Super GR sneaker, but to me I thought it was super dope, and after I saw it in person I was like, yo, I need to make a video about this. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do a unboxing of a sneaker. I know it's been a minute since I made a video and I'm so sorry because I got really caught up with work and I kind of, you know, don't feel like myself recently, but you know, we're trying to get back into it and we're trying to get back into things. If you guys want, before we start the video, you guys can go down there and smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and honestly, the YouTube algorithm isn't going to help your boy out because I haven't been posting a lot, but let's get into this unboxing. Let's show you guys what I got. Also, in my little hiatus, I actually picked up these off-white dunks right here. If you guys want a review or if you guys want to see my dunk collection, make sure you guys put it in the comments below. And let's bring these in. A couple of weeks ago, I actually saw these on the Nike website and it was a GR, it was just sitting there, and the more pictures that I looked at it, I actually like really messed with it and I really liked them. The thing was is that they weren't selling out at that time, and I was like, I really don't care if they're selling out or not. I just want to buy them because I think that they look super dope. As you guys can see right here, it's an Air Force 1 box. Right now, I feel like at this moment in my life, I'm getting into a point where there's only 2 types of sneakers that I really wear. Actually, 3 types. There's only 3 types of sneakers that I really wear. One is the Nike Dunk, one is the Air Jordan 1, and the last one is the Air Force 1. I think all 3 of these models are super wearable, as well as they really have so many styles that you don't have to spend so much money. You know what I mean? Personally, Air Force 1s run a half size big, so I got an 8.5 instead of a 9. Without further ado, let's get into the shoes right here. Oh shit. Yo. Man. So guys, right here we have the Air Force 1 DNA. Now when these first came out and I saw pictures of them and I saw them sitting on the Nike website, I instantly was like, yo, I need these sneakers. Just looking at this sneaker really gave me those off-white vibes, and it really gave me a clean wearable colorway, and it was for a regular price of an Air Force 1. So I was like, I need to have it. Before I blab on too much about it, let me go ahead and give you guys a quick review of this sneaker. As we start off with the soles of the sneaker, you guys can see that there's this translucent yellow bottom. On one of the soles, it actually says full-length air sole. I think that the overall concept of the DNA pack is basically to give you guys a unfinished look of the Air Force 1 and like how the planning went and all the different pieces of the Air Force 1 and how it actually came together. One thing that I really love on sneakers is that yellowed midsole. It's a really nicely yellowed midsole, and I love the contrast between the uppers and the midsole. So the entire upper of the sneaker is made from this tumbled leather, and honestly, I don't think that it's bad quality leather. Like, I actually think that it's pretty decent leather. The cool thing about these is that the leather is actually very different on the different panels. So on this panel over here, you guys can see that it's more of a smooth leather. On the toe box, it's more of a tumbled leather, and I think that it really adds a cool touch when there's different types of materials used on the sneaker. So on the back of the sneaker, you guys can see on the Nike Air tab, there's this material, and I'm not really sure what it is. It's much more smooth than the leather that's on the sneakers, and damn, it's just really nice, man. Moving on to one of my favorite parts of the sneaker, it's actually the swoosh. Now you guys can see that it actually has that like stencil swoosh in here with this large piece of plastic. Now, from my understanding, what this is that when you're stitching something, this is like the outline of what the swoosh would look like, and it really gives it that raw, unfinished look. I think one thing that I might do is I might cut this plastic and make it so that the swoosh is like this plastic piece. One of my favorite touches about the sneaker is actually around the lace loops. Basically, there's like this suede material all around it, and again, there's so many different contrasting materials and contrasting like colors on this sneaker, and I think that's what gives this sneaker that touch and that really like, you know, distinct, unique look. The type of swoosh that I actually want to do is like this, like a very clean cut, and I think that I might put that clean cut on this side as well. On the sneaker, you guys can see that there's these cream laces, and again, the white, the cream, the yellowed midsole, the translucent sole, everything when you put it together, it really gives this unfinished look. Reminiscent of off-white sneakers, you guys can see that the tongue is actually unfinished, and honestly, man, I just really mess with these shoes. I really like the overall finish of the shoe, as well as all the different materials that are used on the shoe. I love how Nike gave it that unfinished look, and it really gave it that off-white look. I think if there was one one thing that I change about these sneakers is that certain Air Force Ones are actually a lot lighter than other Air Force Ones. So I wish that, you know, it weren't as heavy as a regular Air Force One, but I think I can live with that. So yeah, I definitely think that these are going to be super good beaters in my collection, and I definitely think that they're going to get a lot of wear. Another good thing about these sneakers is that they were actually only $150 after tax with a coupon, and I wouldn't be able to use that coupon if it wasn't a GR. So I definitely think the price, the quality of the materials, and the build of the shoe is 100% worth the money. But in the comments below, let me know if you guys are feeling them. If you're not feeling them, drop it in the comments below. Again, I'm super sorry that I haven't made a video in a really long time, but yo, I'm gonna get back on this because it just makes me super happy, and I don't feel like myself when I don't make videos. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. 1, 2, later.